Maybe you are facing an issue where Alexa voice control is not working on your Fire TV Cube. Alexa may not be responding, may not hear your voice, or voice command may have stopped working completely. In this video, I will show you the most effective fixes to get Alexa working again. So first you just have to make sure your Fire TV Cube is connected to the internet. Alexa voice commands require an active internet connection. So just you have to go to settings, then network, and confirm that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Next, restart your Fire TV Cube, go to settings, then My Fire TV and select restart. Once the device reboot, try using Alexa again. If you're using the Alexa button on the remote, make sure the remote is working properly. You can also reset and repair the remote. Just press and hold the left back and the menu button together for about 15 seconds. Then remove the batteries for a few seconds and insert them again. Finally, press and hold the home button for about 15 seconds to pair the remote back to the Fire TV Cube. If Alexa is still not responding, check the microphone status on the Fire TV Cube. Make sure the microphone is not muted and that nothing is blocking the microphone on the device. If there's any dust or debris around the microphone, gently clean them. Now check the language settings. Go to settings, then preference, and from language, make sure your Fire TV language matches the language you are speaking to Alexa. A language mismatch can sometimes cause voice recognition issue. If the problem started recently, check for any software updates available. Go to settings, then My Fire TV, and from about, select check for updates. Or if you see install any updates available, just go for it and then your TV will restart. After trying all of this process, if you're still facing problem, you just have to try signing out of your account and back into your Amazon account. So for that, go to settings, then account and profile settings. Select your Amazon account and choose Deregister. Then register the device again using your Amazon account. This often fixes account-related Alexa issues without affecting your purchase content. And that's it. Hope one of these fixes should get Alexa voice control working again on your Fire TV Cube.